East Indian wedding rice. Wedding rice is a delicious and tasty dish served at most East Indian weddings and special functions. Made with fried onions, ghee and boiled eggs, it's perfect to eat on its own, but no one really does. Wedding rice is often served with vindaloo, sorpatel, stuffed chicken, and other more mouth-watering dishes. So what do you need to make wedding rice? Rice and salt, bay leaves and cinnamon sticks, ghee and onions, cashew nuts and raisins, boiled eggs. How to make the wedding rice. Start by cooking the rice and set it aside. Cut the onions into fine slices and fry with ghee in a frying pan until golden brown. Add cinnamon sticks and bay leaves and fry for a few minutes. Then add the raisins and halved cashew nuts and fry well. Decorate the rice with fried onions, cashew nuts and raisins. And add some wedges of boiled eggs on top. Check the link for the full recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to Abby's Plate. Like and share. We'll love you for it.